Paano nga ba piliin ang lambot sa mundong matigas? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Let's talk about softness. Maraming nag-iisip na ang lambot ay kahinaan na kapag mababait ka, aabuso ka. But softness isn't lack of strength. It's strength with restraint. Soft people feel deeply but choose not to harden. They set boundaries without cruelty. They lead without breaking others. Choosing softness is choosing not to become what hurt you. 3 practical moves. Number 1, protect softness with boundaries. Ilagay ang malinaw na hangganan para manatiling mabuti nang hindi ka nauubos. Number 2, respond. Don't react. Pumili ng sagot kaysa bugso ng galit kahit may dahilan ka magalit. And number 3, lead with compassion. Gamitin ang pag-unawa bilang lakas, hindi bilang lisensya ng pang-aabuso. Tandaan mo to, hindi ka mahina dahil mabait ka. Malakas ka dahil pinili mong manatiling tao. I'm Catherine Eucor, and once again, you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.